The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is now finally official. This time it's a relatively minor upgrade over the Galaxy Z Flip 5 with several notable improvements that Samsung has prepared for us. We have an upgraded main camera that jumps to 50 megapixel from 12 megapixel on its predecessor, a new chip optimized for Galaxy AI, refined hinge with less visible crease, and a slightly bigger battery. Apart from that, in terms of displays, looks and overall feel, we have little differences from the Flip 5. As for the price, the rumors have turned out to be true and we have a $100 price increase in the United States. So now for the US, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 12GB RAM to 56GB variant costs $1,099. The European price doesn't change and remains at 100 and 199 euro. We don't have huge upgrades when it comes to the looks of the clamshell foldable. A similar premium build is adorning the phone and there is a slight improvement in the hinge mechanism. The crease is now less visible and less noticeable, which is actually epic. It feels as it's almost gone and it's way less bothering when scrolling or viewing the display. Apart from that though, the other differences from the previous generation aren't as huge. The frame new sports flatter edges, which actually looks more modern and bold. The display closes completely just like the Flip 5. With the flatter edges, the phone is now more comfortable to hold, but I still can't open it with one hand. It does feel sturdy and durable in the hand, which is a good thing, especially when we are talking foldables. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is available in silver shadow, yellow, blue and mint, with Samsung.com exclusive colors being crafted black, white and peach. The colors wrap around the frame as well, which wasn't the case for the Flip 5 for a more seamless look. As for protection and durability, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 rocks Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which makes it better protected against scratches. As for the displays, the Pixel 6 retains the 3.4-inch external display of its predecessor, but it now has some more features like auto zoom and suggested replies. It still features a 60Hz refresh rate. On the inside of the foldable, we have a similar 6.7-inch AMOLED display to its predecessors, but it features enhanced layers for more durability and a less visible crease. So the display has been improved, although not by much. It is brighter than the Flip 5, which is always a welcome improvement, and also can go lower in minimum brightness, fantastic for those who want to browse some social media at night. The Galaxy Z Flip 6's camera is where we get one notable upgrade. The Flip 5's main camera sports a 12 megapixel resolution, which is not ideal for a phone in its price range. However, this time Samsung has fixed this by including a new 50 megapixel main camera on the Flip 6. The camera features an f1.8 aperture. Apart from the upgraded main sensor, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 sports the same ultra-wide with 12 megapixel resolution to complete its dual camera setup. On the front of the phone, we have a 10 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. Foldables aren't historically famous for their photography prowess, but the 50 megapixel main camera is a welcome improvement to the Flip and may turn how we look at foldables and their cameras. Of course, Galaxy AI is available on the Flip 6. The generative AI experience has a couple of camera-centric features, including generative edit and edit suggestions. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with a premium flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. The chip has been optimized for AI. During our short time with the phone for our hands-on, we didn't notice any hiccups or issues with the performance as is expected from such a powerful chip. The new chip in the Flip 6 helps it beat its predecessor in every benchmark that we ran on it. In some cases, like the Geekbench Single, Multi and 3D Mark Extreme, it even beat the Galaxy S24, which is quite a feat. The powerful chip ensures smooth performance and we have seen no hiccups. Basically, it should be able to handle anything you throw at it, including the hardcore generative AI features. Besides the stronger chip, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is finally getting 12GB of RAM. So far, Samsung's clamshell foldables have been limited to 8 gigs, but this is no more. This makes the phone great for multitasking and also helps with all the generative AI features. As for storage, we have the usual 256 and 512 GB storage. We didn't get a 1TB option, although the Fold has one. The Flip doesn't have support for microSD cards, but that's a standard with flagship nowadays. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 launches with Android 14 just like any other Android phone launching before October. It has Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 on top and the cool Galaxy AI features that were introduced with the S24 series. So we have no surprises here and we get a standard Samsung Galaxy feel from the UI. We have the regular Galaxy AI features like instant slow-mo, generative edit, note assist, etc. However, we have suggested replies that's an exclusive Z Flip 6 feature that works only on the Flex window display. You also get more widgets for the cover display which allow for more customization, including animated ones, interactive ones, and created with AI. The Flip 6 is promised 7 years of operating system updates and 7 years of security updates, which is awesome news. Things are more exciting when it comes to the battery. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with an upgraded battery over its predecessor. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes with a 3700 mAh battery cell, while the Flip 6 improves on that and features a bigger 4000 mAh battery. Any increase in battery is a good thing, especially when it doesn't come with an increase in size or weight. We see a notable improvements in battery performance on the Flip 6 in comparison to the Flip 5 from last year. The phone is able to withstand 16 hours and 10 minutes on continuous web browsing, 9 hours and 8 minutes of video playback, and 10 hours and 20 minutes on continuous gaming. These results are very good and mean that the phone is more than usual capable of lasting a full day on a single charge, light to moderate uses. Apart from that, we have the same 25-watt fast charging capabilities on the Flip 6 just like on the Flip 5. Although the Galaxy Z Flip 6 doesn't offer as many upgrades in comparison to its predecessor as many would like, it still isn't just an iteration. With a better camera, bigger battery, and an improved hinge and almost unnoticeable crease, the Flip 6 is the best Samsung clamshell foldable right now, so you won't be wrong if you decide to go for it. It performs reliably in terms of raw power and battery and has overall better camera performance than rivals such as the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. The Flip 6 is also a very good looking phone, and with the latest refinements of the design, flat edges, gorgeous colors, durable feel, it's a serious phone that shouldn't be taken as just an accessory. Now with 12 gigs of RAM and fast and furious Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's a great performer and a serious contender for the best foldable phone of 2024. All in all, I'd recommend it anyone who would love to get a Samsung clamshell foldable in 2024. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.